Hello my friends and welcome back. I am popping on to do my second layout for the month for Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I am going to be starting with the Soak Up the Sun page kit by Meredy Twilling. Now it came with this gorgeous cut file and I really want to use it. It also came with all kinds of gorgeous, bright, happy papers, which are my favorite color palettes. Like, give me all the saturation and I'm a happy girl. So we have lots of papers. I'm looking at concentrating on this one. It's called Multi-Journaling Cards, and it's from Endless Summer by Echo Park. Multi-journaling cards on this side, which I know it's gorgeous, but I super dig the yellow. My idea is to go ahead and have the cut file on top of it. Great, easy peasy, right? I've got this photo of the Hubs and I when we are on vacation in Florida. Oh, but wait. So we've got these gorgeous sequins from the a la carte section, right? And there's actually beach balls in there, but those are not part of the sequins. They are these cute little clay beach balls. Anywho, I think I'm going to do some string art. And I don't know, maybe on the white? Maybe on the white. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to do some string art with the sequins and bring in a bunch of color that way. I think it would be really fun on... Yeah, might have to do it on the white so they really pop. So I'm going to do that. It's going to take me 3 years and that's fine. My title will be Splash because I love this acrylic. I think it is beyond awesome. I want to see if one of these little frames is a good match for that. It should be a good match. So I'm going to have some chipboard frames from Echo Park Paper Company, A Slice of Summer. They are a la carte as well. And gosh, guys, I have these alphas from Pink Fresh Somedays that I'm going to bring into the title in some way. Don't even know how yet. So that's what I have going so far for my idea, and I'll be back in just a little bit when I have all that string art done. So I went ahead and popped some sequins on just some regular old white thread on every other one of the sunbursts. And then I'm going to pop the title right next to the photo, and I'm going to make this big old mess out of it. It's fine. The photo is behind this frame that had all of these florals on, and I love that it had a bit of a little aqua background to it. I think it's so cute and bright, and it kind of sets the rest of the show for how fun this layout is. And yes, I will straighten out that splash word. There was no point in fighting all those little pieces until I was ready to put it down. Now, on the sunbeams that don't have the sequins, I'm just going to pop a cute little beach ball on the center of each of them. And really, this layout ends up being so simple, but the sequins are kind of taken over. I'm looking in these gorgeous die cuts that were in the a la carte section of the store, and I'm starting to audition them. I will be moving them around and switching them out and making it far more complicated than it has to be. But my title is Let's Make a Splash, and guys, these acrylics are so awesome. Did you guys see how you could have like red on the outside with blue on the inside and back and forth? They're so cute and awesome. Anywho, so I'm going to faff around and move these around way too many times before we decide on the right location. So I went ahead and detail cut out that cute little coconut, and that totally ended up vibing where I wanted to go with this. That little blue square bit I punched out of a frame and thought it would be cute on just a little bit of a wonky side. And yeah, I'm just popping up a couple things on foam. But for the most part, this is this layout done. And like I said, I think it's because, at least in real life, the string art part of the party has tons and tons of dimension, and it's being a bit of a show off. Now, the other thing, of course, is the acrylic that reads Splash. And then we have Pink Fresh Alphas, and how stinking awesome is that we get to have them. So absolutely great fun kit, and I am loving it. So giving you guys a nice up close view of this fun stuff, and Guys, it was fun. Was it tedious to put them together? I guess it depends. I find that kind of thing so fun to come up with an idea and try to build it out and see how it goes. So, anywho, I have still shots for you here, and I will have links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, blog, and Facebook group. So please be sure to join us over there so we can see what you guys did with these goodies and see what the rest of DT did and all of that good stuff. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back ever so soon with another video.